Good day, traders. Big one here with a quick update on the trade that we saw playing out on August 27th, 2025. That was my birthday, and I was able to give out this signal on gold as a gift to my fellow traders. And that being said, this is not financial advice. I'm doing this simply for training purposes only. So let's quickly play the video when I gave out the signal right here. Right, since it's my birthday, I'm going to give you a gift. My WhatsApp friends, if gold retraces back to 33.77, 33.79 area, you can place your buy trades, especially if it does so before the New York session. You can place your buy right there and hold all the way to 33.90, 33.92 area. I'm already long from around about 33.75, so let's see how that plays out. Do say thank you. I just put your ratio. Right. That being said, let me explain how we were able to know that gold was going to be bullish on that day. Firstly, using the spiral indicator, which is our in-house tool that if you are actually interested in it, you can go to AltoXcapital.com and you can get it from there. And also, we were aware that the macroeconomic factors and as well as the geopolitical factors were suggesting that gold is still a safe haven for investors, right? So, that being said, if I can have your attention here on the right side on my whiteboard for me to explain what happened. So, for example, if the market is moving down, low, high, low, and then the spiral indicator gives you a sell arrow, it will come with two white lines, right? So this leaves a lower high like so. So if price happens to pull back and close successfully above the lower high, then you can expect it to pull back, and this is where you enter your buy, and you can expect to take your profit as the price goes back to the top. Where is your stop loss rather? If price closes below this line here, if you get candle closes below this recent low of the arrow, you can as well cancel out your trade. So let me move over to the right side, rather to the left side, so you can see on the chart where we were able to take this trade from. So as you can see right here, we had our lower high right here, and price came back to break this lower high here, leaving our spiral arrow facing down like so. So like I explained just a little bit before, when price came back to this line here, we knew that this was going to be our entry area, and for some traders they had to wait for the New York session, which is not a bad idea at all. But I quickly took my buy trades right here, knowing that price was not supposed to close below this low right here. And as you can see, price didn't even give you one candlestick closing below this low right here. We only had wicks into this area, and that's why our stop loss was at 33.73.0. And I'm aware that none of you did get stopped out on that particular trade, unless if your broker played some tricks with you as far as spread is concerned. So if you waited again for the New York session, you can see that you had this spiral arrow here being reversed. This spiral arrow here was reversed, and we used these two white lines here again to enter your buy right here. So either way, you would have still been in on that Range Rover move that I promised on that particular day. So if you can see right from here, price did move to retest our Asian high, which was ultimately our take profit zone. That was run about the 33.94 area. So it was as easy as that. So don't forget, as usual, to follow for more content. I try to post this stuff on a constant basis. And that being said, if you're interested in this tool, do head over to AltoXcapital.com, or you can also DM me right on this platform and we can talk about it. So that being said, once again, happy trading, and speak to you again soon. Cheers, bye.